Let's go do 20 meters bearing 143 at 0.3 knots. Thank you.
You can pull on Atalanta if you want.
Okay.
I mean, you'll be able to pull
A little bit.
You'll be able to pull pretty substantially.
Okay.
You just won't get a nice zoom.
Oh.
Do we see it anymore?
Yeah, here.
Oh.
I
closer
kept
than
my
thought.
eyes on it.
Good job.
As you asked.
Outstanding.
I absolutely lost it.
Thank you, Pierre.
Go for zoom. Let's try. Yeah, go for zoom.
Oh, I'm so excited. I've never seen
We'll
one.
start moving in.
That's so cute. How big is it? Can't tell.
Oh, the head on this guy's maybe 15 centimeters across.
Oh, wow, pretty big.
We're right on a rock here. Whoop.
Oh, oh.
Go wide video. Go wide fast. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, we're just gonna hang out here while I wait for...
Oh.
Let's see if I can... I'm gonna get lower and then just auto XY, auto head, sit in this spot.
Sure.
How do you feel about that?
Yeah, I would, yeah.
And just pan the
do
camera
not
around
sit,
basically?
not sit on the ground, probably.
No,
but
no.
Yeah,
There's too
Just
many
sit in
things
the-
down there. Yeah.
I just
that will
trying to
likely work.
keep everything in view is a lot of
Do you want me to keep
things.
stepping back with Atalanta?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, go for zoom. I might have to...
Oh, that's great.
Just kidding. Auto everything did not work.
Not on a zoom, but it will keep you, like if you're fighting Atalanta, you can often
I am.
Elbow
Yeah.
octopus.
you can often auto XY. You just can't get
Yeah,
these beautiful
okay.
zooms. That is very impressive that you're zooming while fighting Atalanta.
What do they eat?
I don't actually know.
Okay, go wide
They
video.
might eat the inverts on the bottom.
I presume shrimps, crabs,
yeah.
probably things similar to what shallow water octopi
Yeah.
eat.
That's
Okay,
so pretty.
That's easier for me to do.
So
Okay, go for
fantastic.
zoom.
It is really fun watching them swim.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're not very timid. Seems like. All right, go wide. I'm coming down a bit. I'm coming down and back towards you. see if we can. Oh, no. Okay. I might have lost it. There's a big rock with a bunch of coral on my butt cam that I'm trying to avoid. So
Well, if you've got the leash for it, there was a great rock sort of to your left, but if we need to go in a different direction, go in the other direction.
yeah, are you talking about the rock that I almost ran into earlier?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, that's the one that's in my butt cam.
Okay, yeah.
So we want to turn around anyway, don't we?
Well, or if this isn't really that feasible, let's just move on. There's a lot of amazing terrain here. We will see more great things.
Yeah. So what's our heading of the moves that I know you're in a ship move right now, and that's fine.
Well, we could stop this one. Well, yeah, it's got 10 meters left, so we could stop it. We basically need to head up this slope. So we're looking at 20 degrees, 020.
020. Okay. Yeah.
Before we do that, let's get ourselves untangled.
Yeah.
Do you want to propose how to do that and what the level of tangled we're at is?
Okay, so we're, yeah, so we got a wrap, right? No. We got one. I think I want to come around counterclockwise.
What would be another way to take out a wrap from the 6-8 and at the same time take one out from tether?
Oh, I don't know, for 6-8.
So we can, so you wouldn't have to do anything.
Okay.
If all we did was rotate,
Atalanta.
just watch your altitude there.
Yeah.
All we did was rotate Atalanta.
Yeah. Okay.
So just back down a little bit so we're not all stretched out.
Kay.
Right now I've still got us at tail to tail.
Okay.
And then we'll, we don't worry so much about the 6-8 wraps.
Okay. Yeah.
But if you can conveniently take a wrap out of the 6-8, do it.
So that means the Atalanta's been spinning on the 6-8, or what is that?
I mean, at some point, somebody turned Atalanta around in a circle, same as you might with Herc, just following Herc around.
Just trying not to run into anything here. Sorry, I'm getting laterally far from you. I will.
All right, just let me know when you guys want the move.
So along with the pyrosome and gulper eel, are Dumbo octopus also more pelagic? I'll take that as a maybe.
Oh, I hear you very low, Max. I don't know if it's...
Good to know. I was asking if, do we know if Dumbo octopus are pelagic or?
No, they're mostly benthic.
Okay.
Okay, and I need to get laterally closer to you, I think.
So many of these
Mind if I
Oreos. There's
reset the
3 in
DVL?
the
Yeah,
field of
that'd be
view right
awesome.
now.
Do you have enough tether to
Oh,
look
it's
at me?
back? Or is it another one?
Well, it's probably the same one.
Yeah, it's probably the same.
If you want to take care of the Dumbo octopus, I'll
Okay.
take care of spinning around.
Let's do that. All right. There. Okay. Go for zoom video. I'm gonna try to get in down here. So we're like face to face right now.
Yes.
Okay. Are we at our tether length again?
It's not great.
Yeah.
I think I'm getting pulled again.
Yeah, okay. And I'm not even that close to it, so.
Okay, let's keep going.
Okay.
Come
Very
back to
cute
me,
octopus.
Okay.
Grimpatoothus.
Ship is not moving. Okay,
And
perfect.
Tina looked up the diet of Dumbo octopuses and
Yeah, it's just hanging
reports.
out.
I'm just
their
going to drive
diet
forward and get
includes
towards you.
Yep, do that. That sounds
And
great.
Lots
because I
of
want to be
small
in front of you.
crustaceans and worms.
Because this is giving me the willies, so.
Do we know also, are Dumbo octopus true octopus, or are they squid? What is a Dumbo octopus?
I can't hear you, Max.
Man, I don't know what's going on. My audio is boosted insanely.
Are you guys forced listening to video? This white line on video on your SPLs?
Yeah.
There.
Or green
Sorry.
line also.
Okay, there I am, and we're
White line
face to
on
face.
video.
Okay, you ready to head down to the seafloor?
Yes.
Okay, go for it.
Okay, heading down.
Anyways, my question was, are Dumbo octopus true
Nav,
octopus?
can you remind me what our direction of travel is going to be? 020?
That's correct. Yep.
Okay.
I think they are, Max, but I'm not 100% sure. Are they actual octopus? The Dumbo octopus?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yep. There's two clades, serrate and inserate octopods, and they're basically, that's what splits the ones with the fins on the heads versus those that don't.
Ah.
I think there's one more split in
Okay,
there as
come
well, but I've
closer.
forgotten the exact taxonomy. But yep, all octopi.
Yeah, I'm driving towards you.
Okay, great. Okay, hold there. That's a great
Okay.
spot for us to sort ourselves out. Okay,
So we've got
I'm
one.
going to spin around to positive.
Okay.
Are we gonna reach 800 meters?
For about 5 minutes, we're not going to chase any fish.
Okay.
Okay.
Hopefully less. Hopefully closer to 2 minutes.
I'll try really hard.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if we're actually going to hit 800, Pira.
yeah,
I think
maybe
we'll hit
deeper.
900, but I don't know that we'll hit 800.
Yeah, no, I'm just fine. I'm just gonna get a Niskin right before we ascend.
Okay, so I'm going to dial in 020.
Okay.
And then I'm going to have you move yourself into position like we're going to move 020.
Perfect.
And we're all set up for that. So go for it.
Okay. I'm gonna come under you.
Yep.
We've still got the Dumbo to the left, if anyone's
Oh,
paying attention.
it's following us?
Where?
It's off screen now, but
Okay. I'm gonna
really
get
close by.
We did get a little bit of a clear zoom on it earlier when it was moving.
And just an update, we've got about 45 minutes of bottom time left.
Okay.
Okay.
There I am. What a relief.
What's that?
All right, we got a big
sponge.
Just gonna go up this.
Yeah.
Oh, very cool.
Fish? But we cannot chase fish?
No.
Now we can.
Are you good?
Yep, I'm happy.
No,
Okay.
we're not. That's a cutthroat deal.
Oh,
We're gonna let that one go.
Okay,
Yep.
never
Sorry,
mind.
Pira, I should have.
Oh, no,
let
no,
you know
I
we were
mean, it's fine.
done. We just had a little bit of sorting out to do.
I wasn't quite
It's,
ready, to be honest.
that's-
Oh,
I was like,
That was
what is
pretty-
this feature
yeah.
area right here?
That was under an overhang too, so.
Yeah.
Sorry, yes, I am not the fish chaser currently, so I am in no position to say whether we can chase fish.
Here, we're up on this. Here, we landed right up on this nice
Another fish,
feature
but it's
here.
auto.
Okay, I do now feel okay to chase fish, so is that just a, what were we calling it, an Oreo?
No, there was another one.
That was a gluten-free Oreo.
Oh,
Oh,
can
okay.
we take a
Double
look
stuff
right
Oreo?
over there?
Yeah. Okay,
This may be a sea star.
the goal is to not get in the cabbage again. I did
Oh, you
not.
can get in the cabbage.
Okay.
Cabbage is fine. Like, sometimes you gotta chase a Dumbo.
All right.
Okay, that I thought that maybe was a sea star. It's just a sponge
Okay,
fragment.
we'll go
So
up
let's keep
this.
going up.
Okay.
Out of the cabbage and into the rhubarb.
This is a cool spot.
Oh, yeah, over here.
Yeah.
Wow.
All right. What do you want to zoom on? Just that area right there?
Let's zoom on this
Okay.
right here.
Go, here, let me just get a bit lower.
I just want to
first.
see the associates on the old sponge.
Let's go for zoom.
I think those are zoanthids.
Yeah, we've got some zoanthids on the bottom.
Oh, nice focus.
Some stony
there.
coral. We've got might be a few cladorhizids hanging off of the main sponge here. Can't tell. Little shrimp in the sponge there. Not trapped.
Just hanging out.
Yeah. Okay, let's zoom wide and just pan left a little bit.
Okay, go wide. Something is swimming. You just want to look at the...
Oh yeah, what
Where's
is that?
What's the swimming thing?
Up there.
Oh yeah, okay. Here, I'm gonna...
Oh, that's another Oreo. We
Okay.
can
Oh.
let that go.
Okay, I'll get back to panning left over that. Move back in video. You can zoom
Yeah.
back in a bit. This area?
Yeah, that might be Narella. And I think maybe that's Madrepora. Don't know what that one is right there.
Okay, push in. Do you have more zoom?
That's it.
Okay. Here, I'm coming down a bit. On it.
Do we have any more zoom?
Nope.
Is that everything?
'Kay.
Here, I can get closer
No,
to
no,
that one.
we're
Okay.
it's good.
Or these.
Great.
Okay,
That's awesome. Thank you.
go wide video. All right, moving over.
Yep, let's keep going.
Bridge, nav. Can we do 50 meters at 020 at 0.2 knots?
Can you zoom on this Oreo? He has a different color
Yeah.
pattern on it.
Go for zoom.
There's a black stripe on this one.
True Oreo.
Right.
Alright.
Oh, just one side?
Oh, that's different.
Hmm.
Still neositis, but
Here, turn around. Wow.
huh. Okay, let's keep going.
Okay, go wide. A lot of dead coral here.
Yeah, I think some of it is sponge as well. But
Okay,
yeah,
yeah.
tremendous amount of stuff falling down slope. Oh, whoa, can we pan right?
Pan right, like this thing, right?
Okay, it's just another dead.
Just another dead, yeah.
Okay, let's just keep going then.
Got some bigger things up here though, maybe. Oh,
Shrimp.
I'm just gonna stare up.
Wow. Can we zoom on these right here?
Yeah.
Ooh, there's a huge fan.
You can see them. You can see the
That's
direction
insane.
the current is.
The current is ripping through.
Yeah. Okay, I go presume. Is this one the one that you're
Yeah.
looking at? Here, I can get a bit closer, maybe.
I got more zoom too.
Yeah, go. Here, I'll get us better centered here. Okay, push in if you have any more.
That's it.
Okay, how's that, Jeff?
That is pretty good.
Might have to come down a bit.
Thank you. And if we can just go a little bit to the left and look at the base of this bamboo right here.
Yeah, okay.
Just wanted to see the nodal
The
branching.
base of this one?
Yeah,
The trip
just
is
want to look at
holding
the
on
branching
so
pattern.
I'm just trying to.
The internodal or nodal.
Yeah,
Whoa.
just give me a sec here. I have laterals like pinned right now.
Yeah.
Oh, those are
Those
possibly
zoanthids.
zoanthids, yeah.
Do you want to collect, Pierre?
I think we don't have more slurp space, right?
Are we out of slurp chambers?
Well,
Noel?
it's in our
Our
Oh
Yeah,
yeah, because the
coral
tube
line.
is
coral
Yeah.
blocked.
Yeah.
Never mind. Yeah.
I think
Okay.
we're good
We
on
can take a picture.
samples.
Yep.
Do you need me to hold here for a minute?
I grabbed one.
Oh,
Oh,
amazing.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's keep going.
Go on. Okay, I'm going to pass over this area.
Incredible.
There was a tremendously large fan a little bit to the left
Wow.
if you pan
To the left.
on another rock. Sort of way out there, but
You see it, and
no, I don't see it anymore.
is it kind of forward?
It's probably behind us now.
Oh, okay. It's not this one up here, is it?
Maybe it is that one up there. It's pretty surprising just how disorienting it is.
I was checking if you were asleep.
I am awake.
Yeah.
Just need to rest
You
my
wanted
head
these
sometimes.
coral gardens, Derek.
Can't look up for like 3 hours straight.
Do we want to zoom on this one? Is this one of interest?
Sure.
Okay, go
In
for
particular, this
zoom.
one in the back, but let's look at the
Okay.
sponge first.
Yeah, and then I can pan. Is this a sponge?
This
Yeah.
is a sponge right
Okay.
here. Yep. God, I want to say Tritolonia, but I'm starts with a T, and I am forgetting the exact name. That is amazing.
Got a little guy hanging on there. Okay, and we want to
Yeah,
look at the
little
other one
squat
more.
lobster. Yeah.
Okay.
And this is a black coral.
Just kind of panning over it, but if there's a specific spot on
Yeah.
it that's of interest.
I want to look for eggs.
Okay. Is that like a set down kind of?
No, this is pretty good.
Okay. I'll just pan down again.
A lot of squat lobsters, crinoids, but no eggs.
What kind of eggs are you looking for?
So at the beginning of the dive, we collected a little cluster of bright red round eggs all right next to each other on the node of a coral.
What about in the middle of, okay, so lower screen kind of off. Here, I'm centering it up now.
Okay.
I see some red dots in the coral. Does anybody else see them?
Yeah, I saw it.
These things right here.
Yeah. Are those eggs?
They might also be really small crustaceans like amphipods.
Okay.
Let's zoom in. There's a bunch right over there.
I think I have a little bit more zoom.
How
I'm
big are
just-
these eggs?
Getting
How big?
better
The eggs.
The eggs are a couple of millimeters in diameter.
line up
Oh,
here.
super tiny.
They're very tiny, but they're usually clustered together. They're not just a single all by
Oh,
itself.
okay, okay.
So it's part of the reason why I suspect these are not eggs.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe go in, see if you can see any of these. Alright,
Sorry, that was a bit of a crash zoom there.
yeah, some of them. Something.
And they're exo.
Atalanta is going to end up moving past you
Okay,
while
They're
you sit
exo
here,
what?
which is totally fine.
sounds good. Thanks for letting me know.
Ooh.
And I will bring the head around so that I can
Okay,
keep an eye on you.
we gotten a good sight on any of them?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they're not fish eggs.
Okay,
Ooh, nice.
I'm not
striped
certain
shrimp
what
there.
they are, but not what we're looking for.
nice focus there, video, that was great. Okay,
Okay,
go
thanks.
wide. Okay, anything else right around here that you want to look at?
No, no. We can move.
Okay.
Oh, you beat me.
I what?
Yeah, you beat me. I didn't even make it past you.
Oh. By a hair.
You want me to speed you up?
Yeah, I'm losing here.
Okay, let's do it. Bridge nav. Could you please do 50, bearing 020.
It's a large
So
yellow.
much stuff.
It's just amazing. Oh,
Oh,
wow.
look at that.
Let's go look at this big black coral over
Okay.
here.
Beep.
Just when we get going.
Yeah, they're determined. Oh, and we got
There's a fish.
something.
Oh, there's a
Oh,
fish,
yeah.
yeah.
It's going fast.
Okay.
Oh,
This is
yeah.
a bit of a weird.
Is it?
Oh,
Is it-
is
it's
that
like-
another gulp
yeah.
reel? Okay, zoom on
Okay,
that fast.
go
Oh my
for
god,
zoom.
it just blew up.
Yeah.
That's a gulp reel. That's another gulp reel. Did you see that when he ran
Yeah.
into the thing? He blew up his whole mouth.
Are we going into the cabin?
He's doing
It's
it
doing
again.
it.
He's
Okay,
doing it
yeah.
again. Look at that.
Zoom at your discretion, video, until I tell you otherwise.
Wow.
There you go.
Do it again.
2 in 1 dive.
All right, go wide.
Is that a fish?
Three
Nice.
on one seamount, right?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. He just
Yeah.
opened up again. Oh, this is fascinating. If we can keep
Yeah,
on
go
this
for it.
fish, it would be great.
Here, sorry.
Bridge nav. All stop, please.
Yeah, thanks, Derek. Okay, I am spinning myself around. Just FYI. Okay, go for zoom.
That's a full wrap in there.
Okay, we'll have to take that out.
So itty bitty.
Maybe it'll do it again.
Okay, I'm back. What are we looking at?
Gulper eel.
Gulper eel, another one?
Another one. You just missed the Dumbo octopus too.
Oh my gosh. I did?
Yeah, I'm so sorry.
A double octopus?
It's
What
okay.
color was it?
Oh, kind of gray.
Oh.
Do the thing.
Wow.
Do that thing you do.
Yeah.
Can we go wide?
Yeah,
Yeah,
go
wide.
wide. He's gone under the
Okay.
thing. Okay.
Onwards.
I need to take this tether wrap out, so we gotta sit here for a minute. Okay. Are you...
Do you want to come up towards me?
Sure.
Is it an actual eel?
It is. Yep.
So it
Saying
should be in here?
Anguilliformes.
Or is it not?
What's
Yeah.
that?
Let's
Go
see here.
for
We're looking in
zoom.
the animal guide, folks,
What is-
for the eel.
Jeff, you see the hatchet fish? I think it was a hatchet fish. Oh, and that was the gulper again.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there it is.
All right, there we go. You can zoom in video if you got.
See how long that jaw is? You
Yeah.
can kind of see that little thing sticking out from underneath it. That's the end of the jaws.
So, Gabby,
Mhm.
do you think our ascent rate is more likely to be 20 meters a minute or 15?
Is that an Oreo?
It's
Yeah.
That's an
likely to
Oreo.
be 20. And we can drop weights to make it so.
Okay.
Okay,
He wants
go
to be in the
wide
camera.
video if you're not already.
Let's just see what happens. He's going to run into the bottom here, and let's see if he
Yeah.
if he takes water into his mouth again.
Okay, go for zoom. Oh,
You are out of leash.
yeah, okay. Sounds good.
Oh,
There
look
you
at
go.
that. There he did. He
There
did
you
it.
go. We got it.
Open the mouth.
Still open.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
So it really seems like this is a
All right. I'm
strategy
coming back
to-
towards you.
make the fish bigger. It's almost a defensive move.
Yeah, could be.
That was great.
Fun.
Because the jaws go straight out almost 90 degrees to the side of the fish.
Went a little hard there.
Man, what a seamount, huh? What a watch.
Where'd I go? There we go.
Did you stop rotating?
I don't know.
Come back my way. There we go.
Yeah, there. I think I was pulling Atalanta around and then I stopped and Atalanta rotated. So
Oh. Nice.
Okay.
okay. You want me to come right under you?
Nope, you don't need to be right underneath.
Okay.
This is a great spot if
Okay.
you want to take that wrap out.
And this is a positive wrap. Does that mean I need to go counterclockwise?
Correct.
Yeah. Okay.
It's really nice to have the tether coming straight up from the back of Hercules
Okay.
when you are taking a wrap out,
Okay.
which is how you've got yourself configured right now.
Perfect.
If it's pulling over the top, it's pretty rough.
Yeah, okay.
Now, it's often, if you're doing sort of maneuvers like this, sorry, the tilt just took
Why
off.
there are no pictures today?
It can be nice to put yourself in
the
auto depth.
here.
Okay.
What?
Just to, yeah, eliminate one more thing that you're
Yeah, exactly.
doing. Okay. I will do that and make sure.
I'm coming down,
Okay.
and you can just stop spinning for a little bit
'Kay.
here.
I'm stopped.
I
We
can't
all
stop
set?
thinking about
Are
that.
we all set, Rye?
Do you have?
Um,
No, we're not.
Not
No.
yet. Okay.
Do you have current
Sorry.
that you're dealing with here?
oh yeah,
The
definitely.
double
Okay.
octopus.
Lots of current.
Okay.
I gotta see a clip of it after.
Yeah, because you're getting swept off each time you try and do this. So why don't you come back closer again?
Okay. I'm backing towards you.
And then our next move is 020.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, actually, why don't you get yourself set up at 020? You should be fine. It'll look like half a wrap at that point.
Okay.
So turn to your port.
Yeah.
And set yourself up for 020.
Okay.
Oh, there's a fish right down there.
Okay.
If
We're
you
just trying to
don't
get
have-
sorted
yeah,
out.
ju-
Yeah.
you get-
now
you get
let's
sorted.
skip this one.
Yeah.
This fish?
Skip it.
Oh, skip this one. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
Get
Good.
sorted.
Perfect. I heard two different things at once, but. Okay.
You need to come back up my way.
Okay.
Looks like you're getting pushed a lot.
I'm getting pushed
Okay.
so much.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry.
No, it's okay. This totally happens with current.
I just got fully pushed around.
Yeah, so we
I'm
want to
gonna-
stay close to the bottom, like get
'Kay.
inside that shear the best you can.
Okay.
But if you can't, you can't. So we're tail to tail now. So
Yeah.
can you just head down?
Yep.
Okay. Once you get to the bottom, you may have more options for
Yeah.
doing stuff.
Okay, heading down. I think I'm right behind me is a fairly large slope, but okay, I'm still heading down. Are you still heading down?
My altitude is 13 meters,
Okay.
so I'm not going to head down
'Kay.
anymore.
Oh.
Okay, I think that's all the down you're going to get because of
Yeah.
the stuff behind you.
Okay.
What is that?
Yeah, what's that moving?
Can you back straight down? You're going to have to come up while you back down.
Yeah, because there's
Oh,
something
it's
right
just
behind me.
It's a
So.
Cuskeel or a rat tail, one of the two.
Okay. And oh, there's
You've got a little more space than you think you do.
Yeah.
You're a little higher up than you think you are.
okay.
But yeah, we'll have you back straight down.
There's
This
just
is
a-
a lot of current.
Okay. Sorry, it's sweeping me.
Yeah, just come up a little bit.
Wow.
Sorry, I'm
Right,
trying.
Look at this place.
You're doing great. This is
This
really
is
hard stuff.
amazing.
Okay.
And I'm just letting you fight through it.
Cool.
If you get frustrated, I can help you out. But
Yeah, no, I mean, if you just see me doing anything that really is not
no, this is really hard.
helpful, then
There's no question in my mind that this is difficult.
sorry, I'm backing into stuff I got.
The vehicle's a little bit better at driving ahead than it is at backing.
Yeah,
So the idea here is to just back down enough that you can turn around.
okay.
You're going to spin counterclockwise, right?
Pneumatic car sinus, the shrimp,
Yeah.
Ideally,
Yes.
you are going to spin counterclockwise.
Yeah.
using his feet as legs
Okay,
as
I'm gonna
parachute
try
guy.
to spin now. Do you think I have enough to do that? Or would you come closer?
You haven't really been getting much closer.
Great.
You've been spinning the whole operation
Okay,
around.
great. Let's try to not do that.
You're doing a great job.
Thank you.
Like I said, this is really, really difficult. And current will be frustrating for everyone.
Audio.
Yeah, it's tough with the, here, I've got a big wall behind me.
Yep.
That I need to,
Audio.
Oh, that's an Oreo. Never mind.
Another one.
I gotta
Ooh,
come up.
big eel. Big cutthroat eel.
What? Oh, yeah. There's so many Oreo.
There are tons of them. Yeah, it's impressive.
There's 15 minutes of bottom time.
All right.
Okay.
Well,
Are we? Oh, sorry.
I gotta decide what to do here.
yeah, this is really tough.
Yeah.
Like I'm not moving anywhere and I'm just pinned
Yeah.
on pretty much backs and trying to keep my heading.
Okay. Why don't you come up?
'Kay.
It looks like you're against something pretty hard there.
Yeah.
Can you move the ship towards Atalanta, please?
Yep.
I'm coming up too.
Okay.
I would kind of like, I think we may end up recovering with this rapid. But
Bridge
let's see
nav.
if we can give it a try.
Yeah.
We don't have an ADCP on the
Can you
vehicle,
do
right?
a 30-meter move bearing 127 at 0.2?
We don't have an ADCP where?
On the vehicle. I'm just curious how strong this current is.
No, we don't have a way to measure that directly.
Okay.
Okay. How are you doing right where you are?
I'm good.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Stop coming up if that's
Okay.
what you're doing, and hold tight where you are.
Okay.
It's hard for me to tell what's behind you there.
Do you want to turn backlights on?
Yeah.
Here, I'm gonna turn aft lights on.
Okay.
Perfect.
No, turn it off. Helpful.
I can turn more Atalanta lights on.
Do you have your auto
see.
depth on?
I do.
Okay.
Is that all right?
No, that's great. That's
Okay.
what I would suggest.
Yeah.
So if you try to spin counterclockwise, you don't have the leash to do that at all,
Yeah,
right?
there's no spinning in this.
Okay.
So I'm trying to sort of get us away from this slope that is hard to back down against by moving the ship towards Atalanta. It'll sort of, everything is gonna.
What if?
So is this moving us down slope, or what are we doing right now?
Yeah, we're moving downslope this way.
Okay. It seems like, so. Okay, can you stop the ship right here?
Yep.
It seems to me.
Bridge, nav, all stop, please.
Where do you think the current was the strongest? I wasn't looking at high pack when the current came up on us like this.
Yeah. I mean, do you have an idea?
Yeah, it's just like ripping like this.
Yeah. Like I'm basically like a windsock right now.
Yeah, so it seems like we want to get in the shelter, in the lee of this cliff here to sort ourselves out. Does that seem right, Derek?
Yeah, which is kind of what we were trying to do.
Okay.
But so we can keep moving in that direction and kind of go downslope, and then see if once we go back to the bottom, it creates a little
let's try that.
hiding spot.
And we can do this for a few minutes, and then when we have to recover, we have to recover.
Okay.
And we can
So I'll
take
just
the ramp out
resume
on
that
next.
same heading and back down this
Yeah,
way, and then
sounds
we'll
good.
see if we can get closer to the
thanks.
seafloor.
Thanks for pausing so we could talk that through.
Sure. Bridge, nav. Could we do 30 meters at 127?
It basically hit us right when we crested the ridge.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we were holding in it up till that point, and then
it just whipped me off.
Yeah.
Should I be in auto XY or anything? Like, should I be?
The current is just going to take you.
Yeah, okay.
Your auto depth is holding your depth, and then the current is,
So it
holding
would
your position.
yeah, so it would be able to overcome the thrusters at this.
At this point, since you can't fly against it, then yeah, auto depth isn't going to hold.
Okay.
Because auto depth can only do what you can do. Sometimes it's better at it, sometimes it's worse. But that's all it's got. And Derek, what's our turnaround time? When do we have to?
we have 8 minutes.
Okay.
So yeah, I mean, if we can go towards the bottom and at least turn, then we could get the wrap out before we ascend, right?
Yeah.
It's maybe all we have time for.
Yep. That sounds good.
Guys, sorry, shall I skip this Niskin then?
No, we can get Niskins.
Okay.
If there's nothing else we can do, we can definitely get Niskins.
Okay, just if it's easy.
Yeah. We'll do that. Just remind me right
Yeah.
before we leave the
Yeah,
bottom.
yeah, thanks.
Yeah, Atalanta's still on top of the ridge, which makes things really tricky.
Jeff, you see little fish.
That was Cyclothone. That's actually the most abundant vertebrate genus on the planet. Little tiny light fish called a bristlemouth.
Bristlemouth.
Yep. It's got really fine teeth and gill rakers in the back of the mouth. Eats small plankton.
That's a pretty cool stat.
Yeah, there's tons of them. When we were working in the Clarion-Clipperton zone, we were trawling, and in a tow of about 45 to 60 minutes, almost up to an hour, we would catch 1,000 of them. Wow. It was amazing.
Do we want to try going down at this point?
Yeah, do you want to swap seats?
Yeah, that'd be good.
I have no illusions about whether I'm going to be able to do this.
It is way harder
What's
to
our
drive
altitude
an ROV
off the
backwards
bottom
through
now?
current than a car.
Don't have it there.
Okay. Okay, sounds good.
All right,
All right,
that
I'm
ship move is done.
Step to the side for an interaction. I'll be back.
Oh.
Yeah, you're muted, just so you know. You want me to come up, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, nice spin.
Well, we're not there yet.
I'm just saying.
Thanks. We're halfway there. That's good.
Okay.
Go more up. going to just get into view. We'll check the health of the tether, make sure
'Kay.
everything's lying properly, and then I'll finish the spin and we'll come up.
Perfect.
And maybe do a Niskin if you have a chance.
Thank you for reminding me. I'm going to head down towards the bottom here.
Okay. Would you like me to follow you down?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Just a normal setup would be great.
Yeah.
And then I will have you turn on some extra lights.
Okay.
So that you can see the tether. Okay, tether looks good. Would you agree?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to finish the spin out of this.
Okay.
And get us into position for recovery. Oh, actually, this is a great place for a Niskin. We'll do that right here. Is that okay?
Sure.
Good spot.
Piera?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. Let me make sure we can hold. Okay, cool. Can you run the cameras for me?
Yeah.
All right, folks, well, we're approaching the end of our dive. We made it quite a ways up this seamount feature and along the ridge of it, the spine of this feature. We didn't get quite all the way to the top because there was so much to see. We moved rather slowly.
Niskin model 2 if possible.
I feel like Noelle just said something. And
Sorry,
I didn't
it
hear
was
it.
far away. Niskin model 2, please.
Okay.
We're going to trigger a Niskin bottle here for eDNA sampling, and then I suspect we are headed back to the surface.
What about 3?
We've already done 3.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, great. That's wonderful. That makes 2 the exact right one.
Yes.
Okay, I'm watching. There, it went.
Sample 91, right? 091?
Yes.
Are you going to be doing more Niskins on the way up?
Yeah, if possible.
Should be possible.
Yeah, it's gonna be 500, the next one.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, on our way up.
Yeah. Okay, I'm just going to get out behind you the other
Okay.
direction.
Been a pretty spectacular dive.
This has been an amazing dive. This seamount feature was just absolutely covered in corals and sponges, includes several things we haven't seen in this region before, an entire new family of black corals for this region. Just in this last shift, we saw a Dumbo octopus, 2 gulper eels, large numbers of
What's going on with
homolid
math?
and
It's
chirostylid
like
crabs.
It's not updating.
Oh, and Noelle is reminding me that we also saw a very large sea pickle or pyrosome, which is an extremely bioluminescent organism.
It
you want me to
I
go
don't
back?
know why it got lost, but it's coming back.
In addition to seeing all the amazing corals and sponges which are at this seamount, because, oh, what is that?
What is that?
Uh-oh. It was
Looked like
another
another
midwater fish that
gulper
swam
eel,
by,
wasn't
but
it?
it is gone.
Oh.
But all of these amazing corals and sponges, crinoids, tunicates, these are all filter feeders that are at the seamount taking advantage of the currents sweeping new water past them that has food in it that they can eat. And in addition, we saw these gulper eels, the pyrosome, a number of animals, some jellies, and these are all the larger things that are being brought by the currents and are running into the seamount. And it's just was a fabulous place, really full of life. So thanks everyone for joining us. You are certainly welcome to stick around if you would like to see the water column on the way up. We should be back to the surface in about 45 minutes. Of course. It's mid-water. That's the problem with being a fish person. Your animals don't stay still. That's it, right there. That's it. Yeah. Is that right here?
500, sorry, yes. I'm just checking my notes disappeared.
What's our Niskin number this time?
4?
Oh, another thing about getting out of those like sort of high current circumstances is you often don't have enough jam to use more than one set of thrusters at once. You can use like one or 1 and 2.
Bridge, nav.
So
Can you please track a line forward at 0.3 knots?
auto XY might not help you, but auto depth and auto head might. And so how I got out of that, I set auto head and auto depth to manage as much of the like sort of ways that current batters you around as I could. And then I was able to isolate to just using one set of thrusters at a time, like, and that preserves enough, because like you can overuse your thrusters and then you dump pressure, and then you really can't get yourself out of things. So sometimes when you're fighting current, you'll do like forward, then up, then forward, then up, and be sort of in like single function mode. And yeah, so using autos to your advantage and trying to isolate the parts of the ways that the vehicle will move that are still working will help you get out of some of those situations. But not always.
Bridge, nav. Can you please secure the tanks and make sure that the air tuggers have air? Thank you. We're streaming forward, so the vehicle should start to swing behind.
Okay. Sounds good. Okay, science, here we go.
Okay.
There we go.
Thank you.
Yeah. And our next one's at 250?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Go ahead, Bridge. Thank you. we have any more DNA samples, or is that it?
Yeah.
We're doing one at 250.
250?
Hey, ROV,
What's
Yeah.
up?
can I increase the iris on Atalanta?
Yeah.
Okay, it's max iris.
Science, what's our... Which one is
5.
5. Okay. Here we go.
Yeah, that went.
And are we doing one at 100?
Yes, please.
Okie dokie. Won't even go anywhere for this one.
How's it going?
All right, we're back. Jeff, do we have any plans for our next dive?
Yeah, our next dive starts at 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, Palau time. We were going to be closer to Angar Island, but still south of it by a little bit. And this is going to be a deeper dive to a seamount there, and we will be mapping it overnight. So I can't really tell you much more until our mapping is done.
And it's our last dive for the first leg,
That is
right?
correct.
Oh, man. To our viewers, our next dive is our last dive for the first leg of this expedition. So tune in. It is scheduled to launch the vehicles at 8 a.m. Palau time.
Okay. Science, this one's going to be 6?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, here we go.
Yeah, I'm watching. There, that went.
Thanks.
We got squids.
What's going on with the tether? Is it alright? Looking.
Holy shit. Okay. Can you go all stop?
Yeah, I'll stop. It just started.
Can you stop the ship, please?
Bridge, nav, all stop.
Where's the current? Can you turn on auto head?
Oh,
Yep. Yep, little jacks. Decapterus is the genus. Yeah.
hmm.
Are they usually used for like bait?
Or people eat them.
Or people?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they're pretty tasty actually.
Oh.
They're not very big. They're about like
Just
that
like,
long, but yeah.
Okay, can you get the ship going ahead? Okay, we lucked out with the tether. The current just whipped us around. Just a sheer, like a, so I had some forward way on, but not a ton. And the current just like, and we were out here, and then the current just took me underneath. Sorry, I definitely swore on SPL.
Thank you, Captain.